Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your OAuth app configuration on GitHub for production. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer your OAuth app configuration on GitHub for production, start by logging into your GitHub account. Navigate to your GitHub developer settings. Under developer settings, select OAuth apps. Choose the OAuth app you want to transfer. Click on the edit button located at the top right corner of the page. Take note of your app's client ID and client secret. Scroll down to find the authorization callback URL section. Update the callback URL to the production environment, ensuring it matches the domain of your production application. Next, check the permissions and settings for your OAuth app. Adjust any necessary settings to align with your production environment needs. Save the changes you have made to your OAuth app configuration. Now, move to your production application environment. Open your environment configuration file. Update the client ID and client secret with the new values you copied from GitHub. Save the configuration file to secure your changes. Restart your application to apply the new OAuth settings. Test the new OAuth setup by attempting a login with a test account. Ensure that the authentication flow operates smoothly and confirms successful logins. Finally, monitor the production application for any OAuth-related issues for the next few days. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. And if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.